It's TikTok week.
I know it's exciting because this one is super timely and there's just been so much discussion about it recently.
Yes, I agree. I mean, there was the ban that was smuggled into a bill that also had Ukraine and Israeli war funding.
Real
And
hodgepodge.
then, yes, it's well said. And then there was a lawsuit filed by TikTok a few
Yes.
weeks ago. And so this is a very live, it could go in many different directions.
Yes. Yes. And there's just so much going on here. And so, what makes you particularly excited to dig into this one?
I love this episode. I think that we brought together the two of the top people to have this conversation. So you have in
Yeah.
Sam Lessin, he was an executive at Facebook at a big social media company. So he both understands sort of TikTok's perspective. He understands the broader world of Silicon Valley as a venture capitalist now. And then you have Evan Greer, who is one of the most prominent and important internet freedom advocates.
Yeah.
What did you find surprising, fascinating, intriguing?
Yeah. Well, many things, but I think I was aware that this type of ban didn't really have a precedent in this country, but I don't think I was tracking that by doing this, we were joining a very small group of countries that have taken this type of action. And none of those countries have particularly great human rights records or records on
Right.
free speech. And it was a really uncomfortable realization of, is this who we are? Like, is that the direction we're really moving in? And I hadn't
Right.
thought about it quite like that.
It's profound. I mean, there are somewhere between 150 and 170 million Americans who use the site and love the
Yeah.
site and are addicted to it in various ways, and which is a whole other conversation, but it
Yeah.
certainly is like enmeshed in the day-to-day lives of a massive amount of Americans. So this is a tough one. It really is, for me, kind of a toss-up, and very excited to hear what people think.
Yeah. Please listen. Tell us your feedback. We want to know what you think after you listen.